Hi, I'm Lisa Elliott. I'm an e-learning coordinator from Melbourne, Australia. I've been training teachers in the use of G Suite since 2016, when we implemented G Suite across our school. Taking a lead role in the implementation from the project initiation phase right up until today, where G Suite is well embedded across our learning programs, has been a really exciting and rewarding experience. In this extraordinary year that has been 2020, G Suite has really enabled our teachers to transform the amazing work that they do in the classroom into the world of remote learning. My philosophy on training is really centred around the relationships that you build with your audience. Whilst it's super important to know your content, I think it's that rapport and trust that you build with your audience that enables you to understand what's required and deliver really effective training. I would love to join the Google Certified Trainer community to share ideas, continue honing my skills as a trainer, and support other teachers in using G Suite to transform their classrooms. Now, one of my favourite times of the week is Thursday mornings when I present my weekly briefing tips to colleagues. I love to use this opportunity to model engaging uses of G Suite in the classroom, provide productivity tips, and update colleagues on all the newest G Suite features. Here's a little taster of a tip that I shared recently. A fantastic new feature in Google Docs is the citation tool. If you've ever worked with students on any sort of research project, you'll know that it can be tricky to support students in correctly citing their sources. The citation tool helps students to easily format citations and generate bibliographies. Let's take a look at how it works. So I've got my document open here on the left, and I've got some information that I've taken from this website on the right. To add a citation, go to the Tools menu and select Citations. Now you've got a choice of 3 different bibliographic styles here. Let's choose APA and then click on Add Citation Source. The source type in this case is going to be website, but you can see that you've got 5 different options there. And depending on what you choose, you'll get the relevant fields popping up in the panel below. Now we'll choose the author. In this case, it's an organisation, and enter a title for the article or the web page, the website title, and now let's go ahead and grab the URL. Finally, we're going to put in some information about when the web page was published and when you've accessed the information. Once you've put in all the relevant details, click on Add Citation Source, and you'll see all of the information appears in this panel. To enter the citation into your document, put your cursor in the relevant spot and then click on Cite. Here's my citation. You can also use this to add a full bibliography to your document. To do this, put your cursor at the end of your document and click on Insert Bibliography at the bottom of the citation panel. Your fully formatted bibliography will now appear in your document. This is a fabulous new feature in Google Docs that will greatly assist students when working on any sort of research project. Thanks for watching.